Bangladesh, to the east of India on the Bay of Bengal, is a South Asian country marked by lush greenery and many waterways. Its Padma, Meghna, and Jamuna rivers create fertile plains, and travel by boat is common. On the southern coast, the Sundarbans, an enormous mangrove forest shared with eastern India, is home to the Royal Bengal tiger. The Bangladesh Liberation War, also known as the Bangladesh War of Independence, or simply the Liberation War in Bangladesh, was a revolution and armed conflict sparked by the rise of Bengali nationalist self-determination movement in what was the East Pakistan during the 1971 Bangladesh genocide. The began on 26 March 1971 and ended with the liberation of Bangladesh on 16 December 1971. After the independence, Bangladesh was one of the poorest countries in the world. The industry that has been making crucial contribution to rebuilding the country and its economy is none other than the ready-made garment industry, which is now the single biggest export earner for Bangladesh. The sector accounts for 83% of total export earning of the country. The apparel industry of Bangladesh started its journey in the 1980s and has come to the position it is in today. The late Nurul Kader Khan was the pioneer of ready-made garment industry in Bangladesh. He had a vision of how to transform the country. In 1978, he sent 130 trainers to South Korea, where they learned how to produce ready-made garments. With those trainees, he set up the first factory, Desh Garments, to produce garments for export. Following his footsteps, other prudent and hardworking entrepreneurs started RMG factories in the country. Since then, Bangladeshi garment industry did not need to look behind. Despite many difficulties faced by the sector, over the past years it has carved a niche in the world market and keep continuing to show robust performance. Among them, one of the most renowned names is Southern Clothing Limited, an efficient sweater exporting garment factory, established by Khondokar Ilyas Hossain in 2003. As a result of his hard work, mischievous thinking, and honesty, Southern Clothing Limited continues to work today with well-known brands like as H&M, Esso Liver, Primark, Taco, and Cobalt. Southern Clothing Limited, 10 highly skilled and young merchandisers, as well as skilled HR and compliance executives. Those who are always trying to reach a specific goal by utilizing or increasing the efficiency of the people. Merchandisers are always offering unique styles and competitive price to the buyers. At a time, they are ensuring the smooth flow of production by sourcing of all raw materials and trims. The tendency of directors of the company to make the right decision in timely manner is constantly increasing the volume of orders of this company. At the same time, their parenting guidance have created an easy-to-us family environment. The company's senior production GM and planning department are working tirelessly to ship every order on time in quality. Southern Clothing Limited also maintain its presence in the ever-evolving market and ensure accurate and quality product by its highly skilled and experienced technical and quality head. Southern is a fully fledged compliance factory, in whose possession is also the Certificate of Alliance. Launched on a short range in 2003, Southern today is the proud owner of 452 Jacquard and also to 400 linking machines. Southern is a full team of 1500 skilled workers. 2 floors of its own building are allocated for a complete Jacquard machine. In midst of a healthy environment, the workers are working according to safe hygiene rules. Lines are selected for the staff on the linking floor through regular skill verification sorting. The staff work here in keeping with the different skill of each person. Southern Clothing Limited has its own wash unit as well as its own dyeing facility. Perfect shaping of each garment is finalized in the iron unit. Garments are delivered to the packing section as soon as the proper clearance is received after the iron table. Each garment packed is carton according to the prescribed rules. Southern Clothing Limited is 18 years old today. We all sincerely wish Southern Clothing Limited the continuous growing success. Happy birthday to you, Southern. Happy birthday to you, the team of Southern Clothing Limited.